Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the motor filter on an Amazon Basics vacuum cleaner. So the motor filter is located just here. It's nice and easy to get to. You just get this part here and pinch it in to the side, and this bit will now pull out. So you can see that's flexible there. And then we go down from the top and pull out towards you. And this is it here. And we can run this under some warm water, tap it over a bin first to get rid of most of the dust, and then run it warm water through it, and then you have to allow it to fully dry. And after 24 hours it should be dry. Don't leave it in direct sunlight. And then to put it back in, the tabs go at the bottom. This bit is out towards the back. So it goes in like so, clicks into place like so. And on this one, the tabs goes on the left hand side, and then it just clicks in like so. They recommend you clean this around about twice a year, so every 6 months. Thanks for watching.